Hello students, all of you open your 10th standard English book, page 180, unit 3.5. Today we are going to learn one of the best motivational and very interesting lesson, the alchemy of nature. What do you mean by alchemy? Do you know the meaning of alchemy? Alchemy means a magical process of transformation or creation, किमिया किंवा चमत्कार. In a simple word, we say magic or mysterious magical power. We all know how nature have a magical power and how it is very useful for mankind. Let's begin the lesson with warming up chit-chat activity. 3 questions are there in chit-chat activity. First question is group discussion on questions. A. Seeds regerminate from another seed. Regerminate means sprout or cause to sprout. Ankur phutne. Plants give us the best example of cycle of life in nature. A plant is always formed from a seed. The seed of a plant needs to be germinated in soil with water, sunlight and nutrients from the soil. The seed slowly starts to form into a plant. From a small delicate stem that comes out of the seed, the plant continues to grow into a strong living organism that eventually bears fruits and flowers. From the fruits, we again get seed for the plant. Seeds regerminate from another seed and we get continuous supply of the same plant. Organism means a living being, avayavyukta paripurna jeev. Bears means carry, support or bring forth, dharan karani किंवा जन्म देणे. Eventually means in the end, akheris. B. Plants and flowers wilt and become one with the earth. Wilt means lose freshness or lack strength. निस्तेज होणे किंवा गळून पडणे. Plants and beautiful flowers appears with all their beauty. However, the life of a flower and many plants are quite short. Once their time is up, they start to wilt. When they wilt, they slowly start to form part of the soil or earth again. When they are completely wilted, they become one with the earth and release all their nutrients in the soil. C. Cacti thrive in the desert region. Cacti. The word cacti is plural of cactus. Cacti means nivudung. Thrive means grow strong and healthy. Zomane wadne. Desert region means Valavanti Pradesh. Cacti are a special kind of plant that grow in hot conditions, mainly in desert region. The roots of cacti are able to spread well below the surface in search of water. When it does find water, it is able to store this water in its body, slowly releasing it as and when required. D. Bare nature turns green in spring. As seasons change, the nature changes its appearance. Through autumn, the leaves of tree change color and slowly start to wither. They fall to the ground. When winter arrives, trees shed their leaves, flowers and appear completely bare. It is one of the most mesmerizing plays of nature. In spring, the trees are once again filled with lush greenery. This is the cycle of nature as per the seasons. Shed means let fall. गळू देणे किंवा गाळणे किंवा ढाळणे. Mesmerizing means भुरळ पाडणे किंवा छाप पाडणे. E. Caterpillar turns into butterfly. Caterpillar means survant. It's a fantastic creation developed by nature. They can go through the various stages that turn the insect into a beautiful butterfly. This is the fact that ugly small insect turns into such a beautiful butterfly with incredible color and design. Fantastic means strange and wild. Vilakshana, chamatkar. Incredible means that cannot be believed. Avishwasaniya. Here we completed the first question from chit chat activity. Second question is role of nature. Two wave diagrams in the second question. First wave diagram is role of nature. The role played by nature: help all living beings to survive, provide us with food and water, provide nutrients and ingredients for medicines, help heal our minds and be one with nature. Second wave diagram is nature, the best teacher. Nature teaches us perseverance. Nature teaches us to have patience. Nature teaches us that no matter how small you can achieve what seems impossible, nature teaches us to work together. Nature teaches us to live in harmony. Nature teaches us the value of Mother Earth. Nature teaches us about life cycle and everything shall pass no matter what. Nature teaches us, commands, motivates, inspires, fulfills, whispers, nurtures, soothes, enrich our spirit, enhancing our well-being. Perseverance means keep on doing or continue steadily. निश्चयाने दीर्घ प्रयत्न करणे किंवा चिकाटी. Patience means the ability to bear trouble, सहनशीलता. Harmony means agreement of feelings, opinions, ऐक्य किंवा एकोप. Nurtures means nourish, पोषण करणे. Soothes means make quiet, शांत करणे किंवा दुःख कमी करणे. Enhance means heighten, वाढवणे. Well-being means good health. Third question, what do you learn from them? A B, teamwork or hard work. Bees teach us the value of what we can achieve if we all work together. An eagle, a strong feature. Eagle teaches us how to focus on what is important and not indulge in unnecessary affairs. Indulge means give free course to, भरपूर वाव देणे. A creeper, perseverance. Creepers teach us that you can go around any obstacle and continue to grow. Obstacle means hindrance, अडथळा किंवा आड येणारी गोष्ट. The river, to face calamities. The river teaches us that you need to always go ahead like a river, continuous to flow through even the smallest of outlets. Calamities means a terrible event, अत्यंत दुःखद घटना किंवा अनिष्ट किंवा संकट. Rainfall, dedication. Dedication means set apart as sacred, स्वतःला वाहून घेणे. Rainfall teaches us several lessons such as to see beauty in simple things, to learn that both excess and shortage are bad. Considering without rainfall we would not have water to drink, and with excess rainfall we would have flooding. Hence, any extreme is bad for us. Sun, to give light and energy to others. The sun teaches us to shine every day, no matter what. Whatever may be the conditions, we need to come out like the sun. Shine brightly and live our life with vigor and be punctual. Vigor means strength or energy. Shakti, urja किंवा उत्साह. Here, chit-chat activity is completed. We start the lesson with poetic lines written by William Blake. To see a world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. Grain of sand means a tiny particles of sand. वाळूचे कण. Infinity means without limits or limitless, अमर्यादपणा. Eternity means time without beginning or end, never ending time, अनंत भासणारा काळ किंवा शाश्वत. These poetic lines written by William Blake has endless meaning. The idea of seeing the world as one grain of sand is quite amazing. Everyone thinks the world is huge, the biggest thing. So to think of the world as one small grain of sand. In this poem, William Blake is using metaphorical language. Heaven is a wildflower, while earth is a grain of sand. This poem definitely emphasizes the fact that heaven is a lot more bigger and better than the world. A flower is much prettier than a grain of sand, which is saying that heaven is much prettier than the world. Can infinity fit in the palm of your hand? Maybe. Maybe William Blake is trying to make you imagine yourself as God. When everything to you is small and in your control, he wants you to see everything as a whole and as small everyday things. Never-ending time in an hour? You have to imagine such a small amount of time representing a big amount of time. I think he just wants to show us a different way of seeing the world and heaven. Metaphorical means Rupakatmak. Emphasizes means special importance, Vishesh Mahत्व. Simple Marathi translation of these poetic lines. एका वाळूच्या कणात साऱ्या विश्वाचे दर्शन होते आणि एका रानटी फुलातही स्वर्गाचा आभास होतो. हाताची इवलीशी ओंजळ अमर्याद आहे असे वाटते आणि एक तासही शाश्वत काळाप्रमाणे भासतो. Students, it's a natural emotion of every human being to turn outdoor activities and enjoy the beauty of nature. Why? Because nature fulfills our desires. Whatever we want, nature gives us. Nature is a source of mind relaxation. It gives us relaxation, enhance, heighten our well-being. It soothes, nurtures, fulfills and motivates us, whispers and commands. Nature whispers and commands means that nature does not tell us what to do in loud, angry manner, and yet human beings can never go against nature. We have to do as nature wants. Nature talks softly with us. Sound of wind, chirping of birds, sound of the waves of the sea water. These are the examples of nature talks softly with us. The writer asks question to us, are you listening? The writer says, when I experience the nature, there is a surprise emotion for nature that leaves me completely awe. Awe means a feeling of respect with wonder. Stimit ho. The writer gives us different examples of the alchemy of nature. First example is hibiscus flower or plant. Hibiscus means jaswand. Hibiscus flower blooms every fortnight. It is big, bright and tender. And when evening approaches, it starts wilting. It withers completely and by evening it falls and becomes one with the earth again. Withers means become dry, sukun किंवा कोमेजून जाणे. Value we learn from the hibiscus flower or plant is we should live our lives to its fullest no matter how short. We should also to live our life like hibiscus plant. Second example is rocky beach. One side rocky beach and in front of that rocky beach majestic ocean. How the water is given shape to the rock? Rock is so hot, yet water is gentle. As the waves of water hits on the rock for years and years, continuous hitting of water on the rocks started its change. It takes the shape that the water commands rock. It gets carved, sculpted and shaped by the water. Here the writer compares colossal problems with rock. Sculpted means carved or molded into a particular shape from wood, stone or clay. कोरीव नक्षीकाम किंवा शिल्पकला. Colossal means huge or very extremely large. प्रचंड किंवा अवाढव्य. Value we learn from the rock is, if we persist or we face our problems with perseverance, we too can find out the solutions. Third example is small bits of grass. Small bits of grass can grow through any small cracks anywhere. When we saw that bits of grass on cement concrete pavement, we started thinking impossible thing. But it happens. There always solution on a way. Value we learn from that small bits of grass is, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Fourth example is tree. When we saw a tree bare of all leaves, we thought it's end of the tree. Its chapter was over. But when spring season starts, the tree is back to its green majesty once again, with full of leaves, flowers, birds and life. Bears its leaves in winter season, but is full of greenery in spring season. Value we learn from the tree is, we should have conviction that however difficult things are at the moment, it will not remain so forever. It will pass. Conviction is most important. We should not lose our confidence. We should strongly believe we will get solution. Majesty means beauty and attractiveness. Vaibhav किंवा ऐश्वर्य. Conviction means strong belief or opinion. विश्वास किंवा खात्री. Fifth example is an army of ants. How it is possible for ants? They can carry 10 times their weight when they work together. It is possible because of their teamwork and perseverance. Their perseverance is so impressive. Value we learn from an army of ants is, we can achieve anything with teamwork and perseverance. We too are consistent, organized and focused in our life. The writer Raksha Bharadia gives us different examples of alchemy of nature. Spider webs are very delicate but very strong. Value we learn, do not underestimate the power of things, no matter how delicate or fragile they may seem. Underestimate means undervalue or miscalculate, कमी लेखने. Fragile means delicate or easily damaged or broken, नाजूक किंवा सहज तुटणार. Rainbow colors the entire sky. Value we learn, beauty can appear at any time and anywhere in nature. Oysters, they take in a grain of sand, they open with a pearl. Oysters, sea creature, irregularly shaped shell attached to the substrate in shallow marine waters or mostly in coastal water. Pearl, moti. Value we learn, we can always transform ourselves with the right ingredients. Wind. The wind makes tree dance with unhindered passion. Unhindered means not hindered. अडथळ्याविना किंवा न थोपवता. Value we learned, even the strongest obstacles can be bent with persistence. Obstacles means something that makes it difficult for you to do something. बाधा किंवा अडचण. Persistence means the ability to stick with something or continuity. दृढता किंवा आग्रह. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Infinite means very great or without limits. असीम, अपार किंवा अनंत. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. Water, without hint of ego, changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. It is gentle, flows where it can, and has no ego but can shape rocks over time. When we see a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, a flower into a fruit, At that time, we experience the magical, mysterious power of nature. We all human beings learn lesson from the nature. Like the writer, we too are passionate about the nature. We should experience the nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves.